Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Worker Crashes Truck Makes Things 10 Times Worse. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
Hey! Turn it off! Turn it off. Come here.
What?
Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Leaving the truck.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I need to talk to you about the accident.
What accident?
What do you mean, what accident? The one that you told them that you hit their car?
No, I didn't.
Let's come over here. Come on.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
We're coming over this way.
No, I didn't.
Sir, listen, I'm not asking. I'm telling you. Come over here.
We'll talk.
Listen, don't make too many subtle movements now. They ready to get you right now. So you better be easy. I know you a little but you better keep it easy. Keep it easy, buddy.
I'll sit down. Oh,
Hey,
I'm not doing anything.
Told you.
all right. You have a driver's license. It's a simple question. Do you have a driver's license?
Not no more.
So you're saying you weren't involved in an accident?
Delta 7
No, I
Charlie.
wasn't driving that truck.
Huh?
No, I wasn't driving that truck.
I just saw you driving the truck.
I just backed it up to move it down.
All right, let me see your ID. Whose truck is that? Yours?
It's not in my name.
That's whose name is it in? Let me see your ID.
Okay.
Okay, listen. I need to know what happened with the accident.
Well, if I hit someone, that's a problem. I got insurance. I can pay for it.
Okay. So what happened with the accident?
Insurance is.
Did you hit a car on the?
No, my uncle owns a truck. He drives it and he ran off.
Your uncle owns a truck, drives it.
Before we get into him lying, let's talk about something serious, data security, and how Aura, today's sponsor, can help protect you. The headlines in 2024 were terrifying. Dell experienced a data breach that exposed over 49 million records. Ticketmaster saw 560 million customer details leaked. And National Public Data had one of its worst breaches in history. What's worse? The hackers who stole the data posted it online for anyone to access for free. If breaches like these don't have you worried, they should. Your personal data is likely already out there. That's why I use Aura. Aura is like a digital guardian, scanning billions of data points across the dark web to ensure your personal information, like your social security number, bank accounts, or credit card details, remains secure. If there's any sign of trouble, Aura alerts you instantly. And here's something I really appreciate. Aura provides up to $5 million in identity theft insurance. It's a safety net I hope I never need, but I'm grateful to have. Plus, they offer a suite of online security features all in one easy-to-use app. You don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself. Go to aura.com/shy and sign up for a free 14-day trial. You'll see just how much Aura can do to keep you safe. It's better to be proactive than to wait for the next breach to hit.
It ran off.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not in my
Were
name.
you in the car?
Huh? No.
No.
No. He works for me, man.
So you're saying your uncle was driving, hit a car, and then ran off?
Yeah.
Where were you?
I ran off too.
You ran off too?
I was scared. I ran up the house.
Well, I asked you if you were in the car too, and you said no.
I was right there in the house.
Are you going to be honest with me, or are you just going to keep telling this ridiculous story?
Alright. Can we restart?
Yep, restart.
Delta 7 at Charlie 8, can you finish the task?
Alright, so you got my name.
Huh?
So you got my ID.
Correct.
So what does that come up as?
I don't understand what you're asking me.
I want to know what that come up
Let's
as.
know his history or
Come
something.
on.
I don't know.
Yeah.
We haven't ran it.
Thank you.
We haven't ran it.
You haven't ran it. Please ran my ID.
That has nothing to do with the accident.
Okay. Doesn't matter. I can take care of the accident. I have insurance.
Here, have a seat.
Yeah.
Casey, just answer his question.
Dude, I'm in front of my house. This is my house.
It doesn't
I
matter.
live here,
Doesn't
bro.
matter. We're still
I'm not
investigating the
gonna do
accident.
anything.
We're still all right.
I'm not gonna.
All right, so you're being uncooperative with the accident investigation. Listen to me,
Have a seat on the curb.
We can drop ticket and have
Nicholas.
a chat and talk.
Nicholas, I need you to
No,
listen.
don't call me Nicholas, bro.
Okay.
Nick.
All right.
Can we drop the ticket?
Nick, whatever, however you want to be addressed. Nick.
Sit down.
All right. So listen to me. Since you don't want to cooperate with the accident investigation now is done. All right. I'm going to be conducting a DUI investigation. All right. So I have to read you something.
I didn't drive.
All right.
You have no investigation of me driving.
I just watched you drive.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
You're full of shit.
All right, Nick. I'm required to warn you before you make any statement. You have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand that? Yes or no?
Excuse me?
You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you
Why am
understand
I
that?
being arrested for?
Okay. I have to read you this because in the state of Florida you have what's called accident privilege. I have to read this to you.
You're not being arrested just yet. I mean, you is gonna get arrested, but right now you're just detained. You gotta know the difference between being detained and arrested. You know what I'm saying? They gotta read you the Miranda rights when they're gonna start to question you about whatever crime they suspect you of committing. This ain't gonna end good.
Okay, because I'm conducting a DUI investigation. All right, so I need you to answer the questions. Are you going to answer?
Can fail. Anyone can fail for that.
You have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions. Do you understand that?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Huh?
Yes or no?
I don't give you the privilege. No.
Huh?
No.
No what?
No, I don't give you the fucking right. What are you talking about?
All right.
What
You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during any questioning. Do you understand that?
Nope.
All right, so you're just going to say no to everything? So I'm just going to go and read them all, because if you're going to play this game, if you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any questioning. You can't walk off. Stay right there. Any statement can and may be used against you in a court of law. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will.
For what?
Okay.
For what?
What do you mean for what?
For what?
Do you understand your rights?
Why am I getting arrested?
All right. Are you willing to conduct field sobriety evaluations?
No. Because
Okay. So field sobriety evaluations are voluntary. However,
it's always a failure, dude.
listen to me. I need you to understand this. Field sobriety evaluations are voluntary. However, if you refuse to do them,
I've been at my house.
Nick, I need you to listen. If you refuse to do them, I'm forced to make a decision based off the totality of the circumstances as it sits right now, which can lead to your arrest for DUI and be used against you in court. Do you understand that?
I want to hear his side.
All right. You understand that? Are you willing to conduct field sobriety evaluations, Nick?
He's the one talking to you. Listen to him.
Well,
Nick, are you willing to conduct? Nick,
I feel like.
are you willing to conduct field sobriety evaluations? Yes or no?
Huh?
Are you willing to conduct field sobriety evaluations? Understanding that?
Why does that have to do? I'm not doing anything. I'm at my house.
Nick, are you willing to
I'm
conduct?
not doing anything. I'm at my house.
Are you going to conduct field sobriety evaluations?
Okay, but I'm not driving. I'm at my house. I'm in my.
Nick, are you willing to conduct field sobriety evaluations?
Okay, but I don't understand why. I'm
Yes
at
or
my
no?
house. But doesn't understand.
Come on, we done with this, man. Lock them up, man. We done. I'm not gonna keep asking you 10 different times. Yes, no, yes, no. Listen, I can see with my own two eyes. We going with what I'm going with, and you're intoxicated for what I think that. I think you're intoxicated. So if I'm the cop, I'm locking you up. That's it. That's the end of the story. I'm not gonna keep going back and forth with you like this. No, absolutely not.
That has nothing to do with this. It doesn't matter.
I'm on my property.
Okay, there's no such thing as home base.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
I'm home.
Good, there we go. Oh, got him right. Hold up.
Oh, tense up.
Oh,
Give me your hand.
Here we go.
Don't make
tense
too
up.
many movements
All I
now.
said is I'm home on my property, and you want to fucking.
Don't make too many movements. You better be easy, boy. They drop you on that concrete. Woo, face first.
Fuck that. I said ass. Come on, dude.
Clear, valid.
You know, so.
Over to you.
All right, you're under arrest for DUI.
I didn't do fucking anything,
Off your
bro.
stomach. Hold to your side.
I'm at home, man.
And we're gonna stand you up.
I'm at home, man. You have no fucking
Stand.
right. Yeah. Let's go, bro. In front of my house, I got cameras. Let's go, bro. Let's fucking go. I got cameras, bro. Baby, I got cameras. They're beating me up, bro. They're beating me, bro. I don't fucking shit.
Stop it.
Dude, you stop it, bro. I do shit. F you, man. I got nothing, bro. What? A fucking Zen in my fucking wallet?
Let's take
Fuck you, man.
You can put me
You
out
fucking,
with
dude. Fuck you. Are you fucking kidding me?
Two
With my fucking kid? Are you fucking kidding me? I didn't fucking do anything, bro. Fuck you guys, bro. Yeah, lawsuit. You'll see it, bro. Good job.
Where's your
Jeff,
car
when
at,
I say
Nichols?
anything?
I got stuff in my car if you don't mind transferring.
Everybody want to sue. Everybody want a lawsuit.
Fucking shit.
2145.
You be cool now?
I'll be fucking cool. I know how it goes, bro. I got nothing, bro. I'm empty, bro. I ain't got shit.
Pants
I got
gonna fall
nothing.
off, take the belt off.
Dude, I got nothing, bro. I swear. I got nothing. Just put me in,
Where are you
bro.
bleeding from?
Huh? I'm from you, motherfucker.
But where at?
I've been taking fucking,
Are you hurt? Are you hurt?
I'm not hurt.
Do you need medical attention?
You can show me.
If I say you hurt me,
for this call later.
no, I ain't gonna say you hurt me, bro.
Okay.
Can we agree on that?
That's up to you. I don't
You're
know.
a fucking asshole.
You're bleeding from your lip. Did I do that or was that already?
Yeah, you did that, motherfucker.
Okay.
Come on, dude. Come on, bro. Let's agree. You got my shit? You got my chain?
Got your chain.
Come on, dude.
Have a seat. Take a seat
I'm
now.
in a fucking house, bro.
Nick was charged with DUI and obstructing an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.